Hey friends, welcome back in. The Amazing Shake has come to Scott County School System. It's a leadership and professional skills competition designed to help their 5th grade students build confidence, communication skills, critical thinking, and professionalism through real-world, hands-on scenarios. Now, students will rotate through a series of interactive stations where they must think on their feet, speak clearly, problem solve, and demonstrate strong character and etiquette. You're not going to find this on your phone screen. So with us today, we have Stephanie Edmonds, Assistant Superintendent of Student Learning. Stephanie, it's great to see you.
Yes, it's great to see you.
We've been chatting about this in the commercial break.
Yes.
Boy, I wish we could have definitely used this when we were in school.
Absolutely. It's a fantastic program that goes beyond that reading, math, science, and social studies that really teaches students skills to be effective communicators and public speakers, you know, that will follow them far past when they graduate from high school.
I love that. I love that it's starting in 5th grade too.
Yes.
I think these are critical years too.
Agreed.
For deciding, you know, am I going to lean into communications or am I more of a math and engineering person?
Right.
But I mean, everyone gets a shot at this stuff.
Yes, every student. Yes.
Which is great because there's a lot of kids that need to just come out of their shell a little bit more, and this can help. They don't necessarily have to get into a communication job.
Right, exactly. And you know, I do want to give credit where credit is due.
Yes.
I wish the 5th grade teachers from Lemons Mill Elementary could be sitting on this couch today, as well as Morgan Vance, their principal, because they are the key people who really started this program in Scott County, and it's starting to spread. Creekside Elementary has started it this year.
Good.
But this year we are in our 3rd annual Amazing Shake for the 5th grade students at Lemons Mill, and it's just an incredible opportunity for students to be able to step outside of their comfort zone and practice skills that are going to help them be successful.
I wonder if this is a need it now more than ever situation because kids have been so buried in screens for the last several years, and we're maybe losing some of that communication touch as technology is kind of replacing that, unfortunately.
Right, agreed. And you know, I think that's what's really a great part of this program is yes, we have the gauntlet, which is like the final event that is coming up next Thursday. But leading up to that, you know, students are working with community members, district leaders, where they're learning to be able to have a good handshake, look people in the eye, have small talk, which, you know, you and I know that as adults, those are skills that are going to take them so far in life, no matter what their future holds. And so it's a really great way to get kids interacting with adults and their peers face to face and having conversations. And like you said, no more screens. It's that true face to face interaction.
And I love too, you mentioned community support. I mean, you have business owners, you have local political types, you have all different types of people saying, you know what, this is important. I want to play a role here. And, you know, I want to teach young folks how to shake hands properly and how to have those human to human moments. So really have to also thank a lot of community partners for stepping up to helping you with this.
You know, our community, 4 years ago, our community came out and we developed our profile of a learner, and you know, we had 100 different community members, as well as we ended up with over 2,000 respondents of the skills that our community values that go beyond, you know, being a communicator, a citizen, a problem solver, a learner, a leader, a collaborator. And so, but what's really amazing is events like the Amazing Shake is now our community is turning out as we are providing these experiences for our students. They want to be a part of it. And it's like you said, from our mayor, judge executive, other local elected officials, our local chamber of commerce has been a huge part of this. You know, coaches, you know, Great Crossing basketball team was a big part of last year's Amazing Shake. And so, yeah, it's truly a community event supporting what our community values that our students hold when they graduate from high school.
I love it. So this sounds like a takes a village moment.
It does, 100%.
I wonder, is there a resource online where community people can learn more about what you all are doing with this and maybe raise their hand to help participate in the future.
Absolutely, absolutely. And you know, this comes from a program through the Ron Clark Academy, and the 5th grade teachers. I want to give Melissa Clay credit. She and her principal went to the Ron Clark Academy, and this is one of the opportunities that they saw that they could bring back to Lemons Mill and to Scott County Schools to provide amazing experiences for our students. And so from that, they have developed this incredible system that not only, it's not just, like I said, one event. It's you know, we have dads and other male role models coming in and teaching the kids how to tie a tie, because part of that final gauntlet is you need to look the part. You need to be dressed professionally. You know, for partnering with local barbershops and cosmetologists to teach students how to look professional when they come. And so, yeah, it has really just been an amazing opportunity for not only our students, but our community partners. So, yeah, we have resources on our website to look and see how you can participate.
Very good.
But you know, right now we have asked and they have certainly responded by supporting the work.
I love it. Well, you can grow this as big as you want it to be.
Yes, 100%.
This is outstanding. I'm going to sleep better tonight knowing what you're doing for our 5th graders out there. It means a lot.
Yes.
Thanks for sharing this.
Absolutely.
Back after this, friends. Stay with us.